This is a teardown of a vs-SUP2T-10G, and this is a supervisor 2T with integrated switch fabric PFC4. And this will be a bit of a noisy teardown, just as a forewarning, because I'm using my drill. Got a 1 gig CF card and 2 gig stick of ECC, probably DDR2 based on the chips. It's too old to be DDR3 or newer. Got a giant Varta clock battery. It's a CR2430 if you're wondering. And we got a ton of screws to remove. A ton. Theory, I'm throwing these all in a pile so they don't make a mess as they roll around everywhere. Yeah, it's stuck. It's just a little like breakout board for additional ports. For some reason I couldn't do like a thicker PCB stack of connectors or something. I don't know. It's probably due to the limit of traces they could run through the PCB, I suppose. Oh, it's a copper aluminum heatsink. Little copper pad under there. Support bracket for the heatsink. Giant Cisco chip. Ceramic, so that means good payout on this board. At least the bottom one. Alright, has some Xilinx chips. A Spartan XC3S1500. ST flash storage looks like there. GP Ramon. That looks like custom etching. Don't know what that is anymore. Is that Texas Instruments? 2 DIMM slots, or well, SODIMM slots. Some Micron memory next to a chip. I can't remember what the logo's branding is. I'll probably Google it one of these days so I can remember. This also did have the option for an SD card, looks like, based on the silk screening. Bottom side. Some more flash. Another palm tree, or not palm tree, I don't know. Another tree in the desert logo, chip, whatever that is. Doing multiple teardowns at the same time, so continuity won't make sense, but yeah. Just gonna pry this off. Luckily these anodized aluminum heat sinks pop off pretty easily most of the time. A Xilinx Spartan 6. Looks like some Intel flash storage there. With custom Cisco part number etched on the bottom. That's neat. Got thermal paste all over my fingertip now, but Cisco Aludra? Made in Canada. Mystery chip. Some more mystery chips. Renaissance chips. I can't get that off my finger. More passives and Renaissance chips. Your PCB interconnects between different boards. Nope, the paste is on my finger forever. Getting down to the main PCB now. I gotta pop all these aluminum heat sinks off real quick to expose the chips potentially. Otherwise, it's in preparation for hitting my scrap bucket. Doing this pretty unceremoniously because this card probably sells for less than it's worth in scrap, to be honest. If I was smart, I would weigh out all the boards and catalog them, and then buy out all the boards on eBay that I can make money on from a scrap standpoint. But it's too much work. Anywho, giant Cisco chip there. Fingers are already covered in thermal compounds, so what's a little bit more thermal compound? My guess is this is a communication chip that works with all these ports that all of a sudden have thermal paste on them. I don't know. God, it's just stuck there forever. Kerosene will get it off, but man. Nope, not readable. Oh wait, these are sideways. Those almost look like they're going to this port here. No heat spreader on that chip. It went away. This Cisco branded. Another Xilinx Spartan chip. Got some. Nope. I gotta quit bumping the camera. I was gonna say it looks like Micron, but it's not branded. Micron's pretty good about branding their stuff. Oh wait, yeah it is. I was right. MT there in the bottom corner. Pretty sure that's Micron. MT, Micron Technology. And got some more Xilinx Spartan chips. There's a bunch of these. Camera won't focus. I think it's too dusty. Cisco chip. That's the top side though. And usual DC to DC converters. Power delivery along the line here coming from that connector. Bottom side should just be passives, then reflection of some of the chips on top. Two of those. But yep, that'll scrap out nicely, and that's about it. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.